Lotus use glues like this. Now this is an adhesive and it's for metal. Just how strong is this stuff? So what I've got is 2 pieces of steel here. I'm going to stick it together and do something that you can only dream about. So you can, to be fair, see that the surface area of contact here between the 2 plates will be better than welding. Because if you spot weld, well, it's just the spots of weld that are holding it together. But when you weld aluminium, it reduces the strength of the aluminium. So gluing it doesn't add heat, keeps it strong. Okay, there are so many reasons. I mean, I could go through loads of these, but there's only one way of finding out, and that is to put it to the test. Right, let's stick these together. Right, no prizes for guessing what I'm going to do with those 2 holes on the end when it goes off. So I'm going to let it dry. You might just want to hang around and see this. Right, we're in a scrapyard. The adhesives have gone off. What could we possibly lift with that? I give you a horrible car, a Fiesta at 1.1 tons. Right, we're ready to do it, guys. Here we go. Let's take it up. Oh my word, look at that. If you look closely at pieces of steel, there's no signs of deformation at all.
And if 1.1 tons isn't impressive enough, let's really up the ante. Big men, 5 of them, 6 even.
Yes! 1.6 tons on glue.
And just in case you're still in doubt, how about a 7.5-ton forklift? All going to prove that lightweight epoxy glue is every bit as strong as welding when used correctly.